morning, welcome back to my channel guys, and if you're watching me for the first time, hi, I am Sneha and I make videos on travel and lifestyle. And if you like watching this kind of videos, do consider subscribing to my channel and hit the notification bell for your further notifications. So today is 11th of July and I'm going to take you to a city tour of my hometown Barakpur. So without wasting, let's get started with the video. It's a bright sunny day and I'm going to take you to my hometown today, and I'm really excited to show my city Barakpur. And probably you have heard about Barakpur or read about Barakpur in your history books in schools, probably in 7 or 8. So I'm going to tell about why Barakpur is so famous and show you some famous food joints over here and places that you can visit here in Barakpur. Right now I'm standing in front of our Barakpur railway station, and as Barakpur was a British cantonment area, the railway station, the building of railway station resembles old architectural style of British England actually. So this is a very nice place, and on the left hand side of our railway station there are some food joints, especially Mughlai and egg rolls are very popular, especially in Sudama Roll Center. And on my right is the lassi counters. You can have lassi, great lassi, और चाय भी बहुत अच्छी मिलती है यहाँ पे. So if you're coming here, you can try lassi and egg rolls and chai, whatever you please. Go to Gandhi Ghat or Mangal Pandey Ghat or the cantonment area. You will get the autos from here. It's just on the left hand side of Barakpur station. So yeah, it all usually takes 20 rupees right now because of the pandemic. Before it was 15 rupees. So yeah, you can take the auto from here, or you can reserve an auto or as well to give you a whole Barakpur city tour. So that would be more reasonable. Or you can just walk around and take totos. जाने के लिए टोटो आपको इधर से मिल जाएगा. ऑटो का स्टैंड मैंने आपको दिखा दिया है. So yeah, that's pretty much about it. So right now I am in Chirya More. It is one of the very prominent places in Barakpur, and everybody loves to have some street food and local dishes, right? So I am standing right in front of my favorite momo joint, that is Fast Food Center. Here the momo they make is really good, बहुत ही tasty होता है. In fact veg momos are awesome. यहाँ पे मेरे को veg momo ज़्यादा पसंद है chicken momo से. So if you are ever coming here in Barakpur, try out momos over here in Fast Food Center. It is right opposite BSNL office and in Chirya More. Okay, right now I'm standing right in front Shanti Bazaar. It is one of the very prominent market. You can get vegetables, you can get food, you can get clothing items over here and whatnot. Okay, so right now I'm standing in front of the Barakpur Roundel, or you can say the center of the Barakpur city, and the road is parted into 3 ways. So that side is Kolkata, this side, left hand side is cantonment area, and right hand side is Barakpur station. And from there you can go to Naihati and Kalyani as well. It's very hot today and I'm already hungry. It's not even 1 hour that I had my breakfast and I'm already hungry, so I'm having some fruits. It's guava with some spices, chaat masala and namak. Huh? Standing in front of a very prominent place in Barakpur, that is Gandhi Ghat. So if you are coming here, do visit this place. The significance of this place is few portion of Mahatma Gandhi's ashes was submerged here. So people come here to pay homage to the Apostle of Peace. Right now I cannot show you inside the premises because it is closed due to the coronavirus, and I will try to show as much as possible from outside. So let's see how much I can cover. So right now I am standing in front of the main gate of Mahatma Gandhi Ghat. So basically this place we call is Gandhi Ghat, but its whole name is Gandhi Memorial Ghat. So right in front, if you see, you can see the Ganges over there, and there's a memorial made in the name of Mahatma Gandhi, and this is a very peaceful place here in Barakpur. So this is amazing for you to come and spend some time over here, or you can come here for weekends. For weekends, if you are planning to visit, there's also a tourist lodge our West Bengal government, Maluncho Tourist Lodge. I will try to show you that place as well if I am allowed to go inside. But if you are here for picnic purposes, there's two gardens on both the side of this memorial. One is Johar Kunj, and that is basically made for the purpose of picnics. And in winters, this place has a lot of demand, so you have to book at least a month or 2 months before your actual picnic. So we are on our way to Barakpur Tourist Lodge, and this side is Jawaharlal Kunj Garden or park, you can say. So this was what I am talking about, picnic spot. Also, you won't get a room available in the weekends in Barakpur as well. So it's a very nice place for the Calcutta people for spending a rejuvenating weekend over here. I will try to get inside, but let's see if I am allowed it or not. So this whatever I have showed you till now, I hope you are enjoying watching my hometown, and it's a very nice place actually. And my favorite part here in Barakpur is the cantonment area, which we will go in some time. Okay, so after exploring Gandhi Ghat and its surrounding places, we have come here to a very beautiful temple which I even didn't know existed in Barakpur. So basically it's Annapurna Mandir. मैं अभी अन्नपूर्णा टेम्पल में आई हूँ। ये बैरकपुर का सबसे सुंदर टेम्पल है और काफ़ी बड़ा टेम्पल है। इसके बारे में मुझे भी नहीं पता था, मेरे पापा मुझे यहाँ पे लेके आए तो पता चला। ये आपको गांधी घाट के ठीक ऑपोजिट वाले रास्ते में जाना पड़ेगा। नाउ अन्नपूर्णा टेम्पल, द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ दिस टेम्पल इज़ similar to Dakshineshwar temple, which is a very famous temple in Kolkata. But unlike Dakshineshwar, here you can also find idol of Shiv as well, and that is the reason why this temple is also called as Shiv Shakti temple. Now it is said that this temple was built by Rani Rashmoni's youngest daughter. After exploring Rani Rashmoni temple, Annapurna temple, sorry, we have come here to Rani Rashmoni Ghat. It's just outside the temple, and you can see the Ganges over here. It's a very beautiful place to come during the sunset to witness a beautiful sunset from here. And yeah, basically there are a lot of ghats actually here in Barakpur. So after exploring Gandhi Ghat and Annapurna Mandir, we are now heading towards the Barakpur cantonment, and I will show you Mangal Pandey Ghat and Dhobi Ghat and the museum over there, and was obviously the Riverside Road. It's one of my favorite places in Barakpur, so Let's go there. Okay, hi. So last time we met at Rani Rashmoni Ghat, and right now I am standing in the cantonment area of Barakpur, and this is one of the most favorite places for me in Barakpur, in the whole Barakpur, because one of the main reason is they also have a trash can here. You cannot find anywhere in Barakpur other than cantonment area. Now I'm standing in the Riverside Road. That side is Riverside Road. Right now I'm standing in the middle road, and that way, the straight way, if we go straight, that's middle road, and behind me is the Riverside Road. So let's go to the Riverside Road and we go to the Dhobi Ghat, one of the famous ghats in Barakpur. Other than that, there are a lot other ghats here as well, like Mangal Pandey Ghat, Shaurapuli Ghat, and other 2-3 ghats that doesn't have any name, although but they are very beautiful. Another fascinating thing about the Riverside Road, or the cantonment area to be specific, is the roads are extremely clean. So let's go to the Dhobi Ghat now first. Okay, so right now I am in Dhobi Ghat. This is one of the most important ghats in Barakpur, as there is also a ferry here, and it is the shortest distance that connect the other side of the Ganges. The other side is Sri Rampur. You can take a ferry. It costs around 5 rupees each, and you will just reach Sri Rampur in a matter of 3 to 4 minutes. That's amazing, right? You get the tickets here behind me, and yeah, we usually come here in the evening to see a beautiful sunset, and that is why we visit here. We just come here, chill and relax, and meet our friends and everything. That's the stretch. You can just walk around the ghat. It's a very huge ghat. There's some boats standing here. The other side is Sri Rampur, as I said, and that yellow building is Denmark Tavern. It is one of the most beautiful cafes nearby Barakpur. So visiting that place is a must do thing when you are here in Barakpur. Behind me is the auto stand in Dhobi Ghat and Toto. You can get the Toto and auto from here and just go directly to the Barakpur station. It's very easy, and they also have like lot of tea shop here, so you can have your sham ka chai also, or subha ka chai, whenever you coming here. This is one of the greatest thing that you can have during the summers. Is the purest water, and it is healthy. So dab is the thing. You should drink dab, not cold drinks. Okay, right now I am standing in front of Mahatma Gandhi Memorial Museum. So did you know that there was a museum in Barakpur? Right? You didn't know. Okay, so this is the museum I'm talking about. It's right behind me, and like we visited Gandhi Ghat. This museum is also in memory of Mahatma Gandhi's works and whatever he did for our country and for us. Life journey basically. So yeah, it is open from 11 AM to 5 PM and it remains closed on Wednesdays. But right now it is closed because of the pandemic that is happening, on the coronavirus, you can say. I don't know when will it reopen. So if you are coming here, just take a try here. Come here and see if it's open or not. So where we'll gonna go now? Where we'll go now? Okay, so we are gonna go to Mangal Pandey Park right now. Hi, so I'm sitting right outside the Mangal Pandey Park. It is closed because again coronavirus. I talked with the maintenance staff. They are saying that this park will open around 2013. 2023. I don't know why they are saying this, but let's say anyways. This is one of the famous places to visit in Barakpur, so that's why I thought I'm showing you. So this is the place. Barakpur is basically famous for Mangal Pandey. Now Mangal Pandey के बारे में आप सबको I think पता ही होगा. जिसको नहीं पता, I would just say that Mangal Pandey was the first person who stand against the British India, and he was the first person who started the Sepoy Mutiny. So Sepoy Mutiny was started here in Barakpur. So that's pretty much about Mangal Pandey, and this park was really beautiful, but I'm so sorry I couldn't show you. And there's also a ghat inside. Yeah, basically that's the famous thing about Barakpur, and that is why Barakpur was famous, and that is what you have read in your history books probably. This is my school. I studied here in 11 and 12. This building was my class 11C, I guess. I don't remember. And 12th वाला class उस side है. यहाँ पे एक और building है, वहाँ पे है. So it's so nice to see my old school. Also, that is the reason, one of the reason why Cantonment Road is also called a school road, because there are at least 6 to 7 schools in this cantonment area. आपको मैंने एक लंबा सा लाइन दिखाया था और दादा बोदी का एक रेस्टोरेंट दिखाया था जहाँ से सब लोग बिरयानी ले रहे थे, एंड उसी का दूसरा ब्रांच मेरे पीछे है, दादा बोदी रेस्टोरेंट. This is a sit down restaurant. There's AC, and that's the same branch. ये छोड़ के there's another branch here in Barakpur only. वो जाने के लिए बास्किन रॉबिन्स का दुकान है. बास्किन रॉबिन्स के दुकान के साइड से एक गली जाता है अंदर की तरफ, वहाँ पे जाके एक और ब्रांच है. And other than Barakpur, we also have another branch in Shodhpur, which has just recently opened. So yeah, Barakpur में दादा बोदी biryani is one of the famous thing other than Mangal Pandey Park. So yeah, this was it about my hometown. I hope you enjoyed watching my city. This is where I stay, and I think it's beautiful, especially the cantonment, right? So what is your most favorite thing that you have seen in this vlog, or which is your favorite place to visit in Barakpur? Let me know in the comment section down below, and I will see you soon again in my next video. Until then, goodbye, stay healthy and stay home. Bye.